So, hello friends, welcome back to another video of the GS channel. Today, let us look at some programming playlist. So, today, let us make a game that is a video game using Microsoft Makecode Arcade. Check the link in description. So, first, create the new project. I have made more than 500 projects. So, click create a new project and name it Dungeon the Way of Escape. So after you create it on start, you shall get this on start block. So after that, we shall add, we shall first create the function that is level num. Here in this function, we create so that the levels are created. Here we make a function, we edit it into level num, then you have to add number. Where is it? Number num. Yes, it's correct. So here we do this. After that, we make the sprite, the hero sprite. So we shall create the sprite, go to sprites corner and set my sprite to sprite, add that block into the onStart block. Whatever sprite you want, you can add, or else you can draw too. So I prefer drawing, but I can't draw now. So I choose, whom shall I choose? Let me choose this guy. Okay, let me choose him. So here you should edit it into 30 by 30. Give it done. I hope the sprite will be visible after some time. Yeah, it's visible. But it's not moving. We have to make it move. So in this video we shall learn the basic function of the function code and then setting the sprite and then finally making it move around the background and setting the background up. So next our work is to set the background image. So let's go to the scene, then set the background image, let's put it on the top. So after that, well, what background should we set? Think friends, my dear friends, think whatever background you want. Select, because as this is a dungeon game, I shall choose that castle background. Can you see it? Well, I hope you can see it, friends. Well, the background I choose is this background, this or this. I shall choose this. Done. Then the background should be visible in a few seconds. Let's play. Wow. Still it's not moving. So after that, let's go to the controller side and then move the sprite with buttons. Now, I hope it should move. Ah, yeah, it's moving with the keyboard commands. Where did he go? Oh my god. Oh shit, not good. He ran away. So, here, after that, we have to set the life to 3. Let's set life to 3. After that, let's call the function. As we have created the function, you have to call it. Then only it will work. Call level num1. So it will call it. So now we shall go to camera side scene, then add the camera follows sprite so that the camera follows us. Now we shall create a variable change level by 1. So where is variable? Well, it is here. Change level variable. I hope you understand, friends. So here, change level variable by 1. We should add it. so that the level variable doesn't keeps it constant, so it moves. After it, I think if you want the countdown, you can start the countdown. Well, let's try moving a sprite. Well, it won't move because we haven't called the num level function. So after that, let's start the countdown by 100 seconds. Info, where is it? Start countdown. We shall set it to 150. No, 180 seconds. No, 180 is too small. Let's add it to 300 seconds. No, let's add 360 perhaps. So, as per our calculation, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So, it shall, yeah, 5 minutes. You have 5 minutes to complete the level. After that, we should add the if command. But as per this video, our work is over. So, thank you, friends. I hope you like the video. Like, share, and subscribe. Comment too. Bye. Have a nice day. So, the part 2 of this video will be released shortly. Bye.